Si Pablo marunong, hindi banda... Okay, ang mga nasa suffocate, yung mga bahay before us. Okay. Si Ate V nandun, tapos sabi namin, inom po kayong water dito. Pumasok siya talaga, nakilala. Siyempre, from that moment on, hindi na, talagang Vilmania na.
Super fan.
Alam mo ba when Frankie was born, sweetheart, she had a letter V. I'm not joking, pag mainit si Frankie may pulang V, sobra talaga alam ni Lord pagka Vilmanian ko. Alam mo kung nilang kasalanan kay Lord, nagtirik na ako ng kandila dyan, ate, Diyos ko. Okay, that was my Ate V. Such a good example. Now, okay ka na? Have you recovered?
Naka-recover na ako. Kasi pinaiyak mo ako, ngayon iyak ako na iyak. Tama ba yun?
Pati si Ate V umiiyak. Pupunta pang lipa yan.
No, but diba, isn't it funny? And of course, everything happens for a reason.
It does, sweetheart.
Diba?
And you know, you don't deserve to be sad. Like I felt before, I don't deserve to be sad.
That's true. To all the women out there, we don't
Yeah.
deserve to be sad.
We do not.
You know.
And please, so many people are going through what I have and what you have, and they're not the concert queen, and they cannot fit into your gown. And okay, Consuelo de Bobo ko sa and they do not have my jewelry, okay?
Not at all. Not at all. Mamaya konti, sige. Holding hands tayo, holding hands.
Ito kay Jul.
Mamaya konti, wala ka ng relo
Ay,
dyan.
mahal yan.
Nasa akin na pala.
Ayan, okay. Anyway, allow us to do, you ready, sweetheart?
These are
Oh
the
my God, I'm so thrilled. I'm
love
singing with her.
songs that, hindi na ever siya yata mamamatay, di ba?
Hindi na. Ito yung mga siguro matagal nyo nang hindi naririnig, nire-revive namin tonight. Kuya Gary, Ate, Angeli, for that's it. I'm not talking na for the rest of the show. I just talk because it's Pops.
Okay.
I'm stopping myself. Allow us
Let me
to do...
start with this song.
We'll start with this. Ikaw pumili ng lahat ng songs mo, nililinaw ko lang.
Ito, wala pong connection to sa buhay ko whatsoever right now.
Diyos ko.
Clarification lang.